Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about the issues that I have of some of my Louis Vuitton items that I purchased a month ago and like a few weeks ago as well. So here are some of the items that I have issues with. So I got this, I believe I got this a month ago. And this two right here, I got it like last week. So anyway, let me start with this Felicie pochette. And this is in a bicolor print. This is a limited edition piece. And I was so excited in this particular piece, guys, because Felicie pochette is one of my most favorite pochettes from Louis Vuitton. So I have several in my collection. So I really think that this particular piece is faulty for the reason that I'm having such a hard time closing it in, opening it up. Like it is like you have to exert pressure in it in order to work. So anyway, I was being told when I went to the atelier, and they said that all the closure, all the press stud closure from the Felicie now, they have changed it to this. This is the new closure that they have. So as you guys could see at the close-up, the inside right there, it's just circle with a hole and it's plain. Right there. And I'm going to bring my other pochette. So here is my Game On Felicie. So as you guys could see right there, there is a bar right here in both corners. And the other one, the new closure that they have, actually they didn't have it anymore. So this one, I don't have any problems or issues with this particular piece. It just opens and closes perfectly. I actually never had any issues with with my Felicie before with this press stud closure. Never. But for some reason with the bicolor, they said that they have changed the press stud closure, and that I am having an issue. Since I went to the store and have it exchanged for something else, and they said, well, it's already been sold out. They could not really source it out for me. It's been sold out the entire United States. And I have no choice because I really wanted to add this in my collection. I fell in love with this particular pattern, and I just love it. So probably I'm going to have to deal with that. But really, I was totally disappointed because this is brand new, and I paid, with all the price increases that we have right now, that they have right now from the Vuitton, maybe this is the third time or the fourth time, and they keep increasing their prices, and we're gonna have to deal with that, like seriously. So anyway, I end up keeping it. I have no choice because it's already been sold out, but still, I was still disappointed. There's nothing else they could do because all the clasp that they said, they have already changed it with the new closure. So I went to the store. They don't have anything that I can compare it with. So yeah, so I end up like settling with this. So anyway, moving on to the next item, another disappointment. I got this. This is from the Tigerama collection, and this is the fuchsia pink. This was released a few weeks ago, and I pre-ordered this. I was so excited. It's because I collected the coin and card holder from the Tigerama collection ever since, and this color is so beautiful. The pop of color is amazing, but the problem is it is again defective. What is going on with the craftsmanship and the quality of this luxury brand, guys? I mean, I don't know. So look at this. So look. So you could, it's so hard to open. It's so hard to with the zipper. The zipper is obviously defective. So I didn't call my SA because I don't even want to bother her with this issue. It's because it's just a zipper. So I decided to put wax in it. So it didn't work, and it's still stuck. Like, see, I mean, seriously, really. Look at that. It's like I am having such a hard time opening it. For closing, it's okay. But to open it, it looks like it gets stuck. I don't know, for some reason. I mean, this is not the most expensive stuff from Louis Vuitton, but in the name of the brand, which is known for its beautiful craftsmanship with the quality. So I did not expect that this would happen. I know what is going on lately with their items, because it just kind of bothers me a little bit because of the price increase. I mean, they keep increasing their prices. And what about the quality? What about the craftsmanship? Are you going to do something about it? So yeah, it was awful. Like, seriously. I mean, this is sold out. It is completely gone. I cannot find a replacement. I have to go to Atelier, and I don't know what they're going to say about it. I think they would be able to do something. I don't know. They have some probably sort of like special stuff to put into the zipper to smoothen it out. So I'm not too worried about this, but my concern is just these are brand new items. I order it brand new, and look, seriously, really, like really, do I have to really like struggle again with the zipper? I struggle with the zipper and this, and I struggle with the closure and on that. So I don't know, for some reason I was just so disappointed, literally disappointed with the quality, with the craftsmanship, with the new items, guys. I mean, I just look at the color. It's so beautiful. It's pretty, but I could have never imagined this is having these issues. Seriously. I don't even want to put any oil or stuff like that. I don't want to ruin it or anything. So anyway, this is a disappointment to me. This is the number 2 items that I'm so disappointed. So anyway, so the third item, so I pre-ordered this third item, guys, and this was released last week, and I am so excited because this was released in this beautiful empreinte leather. Really. So anyway, I got this last week, and if you have watched my unboxing, so thank you guys for all the support to those who have watched my videos on this beautiful Toiletry 26 pouch. So on my unboxing, I have complained about the glazing issues. So I'm going to give you a closer look, a close-up look on how the glazing looks like. So let's start here at the bottom, so as you guys can see right here. So let me get my Q-tip so you guys will be able to see closely. So this part here, as you guys could see, okay, so my camera is actually picking up. So this one right there, look at the glazing. The glazing is bubbling. The glazing is overlapped on the corners. Like, seriously. So if you would look at it like that, that was awful. That was just an awful craftsmanship. Are you serious? And also this side as well, it's like terrible. See, this one right here is bubbling, and look at the side. Look at this part, guys. Like, it's not even at all. The glazing is not even at all. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about buying a luxury item and yet you were paying a premium price on this particular piece, and look what I am getting for this, for paying such an expensive, well, this is like a little over 1,000, I think. Yes, I paid for this. It's like a little over 1,000. And yes, this is an upfront leather, so it's a little bit more. But I believe there is another one from the Pool collection that is a little bit more with this giant monogram. But look at the glazing right here. It's like, oh my gosh, that's not even at all. That is not. So you could actually, when you touch it, you could actually feel the ridge. That part right there was missing. Terrible. And then another thing, when I saw this today, I haven't really used this. I didn't even get a chance to use it yet. But okay, so I have already mentioned that somehow since this particular piece is very, very soft. So yeah, it's obviously that part right here, which is a little bit like it's uneven. That doesn't really bother me at all. But one thing that makes me so disappointed when I look at this item is this part here as well. This part right here, I hope my camera is picking up. Okay. Did you guys see this right here? That is the leather peeling. So let me touch it right there. I could literally, I hope my camera is picking up. So did you guys could see that part right there? That is leather peeling. Oh my gosh, like, are you serious? I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. The glazing on this as well is awful. Look at that corner right there. Look at that. On this side, like, I mean, what is going on? I mean, if they couldn't make the glazing right on this particular piece, because I know it could be like a challenge for them to do that. It's because of the color. See the color, it highlights the purse. They could have just glazed it with blue. I wouldn't really mind them doing that. But since this one is in a brighter color, you could actually see it. So it's not that I don't need to scrutinize the purse to see its flaws. But truly, this particular piece that I have right now is faulty. This is totally like, I don't even want to say bad words, but like, I was totally disappointed. Yes, I called her. She said this has already been sold out. They could not source it out for me. And I was told to take it to the atelier again so they could do something about the peeling. So I said, what are they going to do with the peeling leather? Are they going to what? Are they going to glue it or something? Like, I mean, I don't know. I mean, why would I why would I take this item for a repair that I just got it? This is not even 1 week old, and I have already gotten all those weird issues. Like, seriously. So it's like somehow, guys, like, oh, when we purchase an item, we're so excited and we wanted to use it, and after a few days there's a defect to it, and then they want me to send it for a repair because it's for the, well, I don't think so. This is brand new, and of course, well, it is not cheap at all. And we are really expecting, well, of course, I am expecting for something that is, of course, it is Louis Vuitton. It is one of the high-end brand, and it was most popular. It's a billion-dollar company, obviously. And I was just, I don't know, I just can't even think of the right word to describe what I feel right now with this issues, guys. Because when I purchase something at Vuitton, and I always think about my purchase. I don't just buy it because, oh well, an impulse buy. Well, I had some impulse buy in the past, but I've learned from it. But now when I purchase something at Louis Vuitton, I thought of it. I'm not just gonna buy just because, oh wow, this is the trend or whatever, because I have several Toiletry 26 in my collection, and I am happy with it. I love it. And I'm even more happier when they come out with this leather. It's beautiful. It's stunning. Wow, look at that. I love it. But with this, come up with these issues, like seriously. That's the thing, guys, with the limited edition. That is the issues that I am really scared about pre-ordering a limited edition, is that when you receive the item and it's defective and it's sold out, they cannot source it out, it is not going to be available. I could still place an order, but of course, what they're going to say is just wait until 15 days or a month. So we need to source it out somehow. But I don't have those. I don't want to wait for that. They have already taken my money, and of course I wanted to enjoy my item. I've already paid for it, right? So why do I have to wait for so long? And I don't even know why is it with this new items with Louis Vuitton, it is so hard to get hands on them. I mean, I wasn't able to pre-order some of those like the mini pochette. I wanted the mini pochette in an ombre empreinte. I was able to get that because it's been sold out. I wanted to get the card holder with the pool collection. I was able to get that because it's already been sold out. So yeah, I always put a thought into some things that I am buying. And right now, if I'm gonna return all these three, I think that would create a red flag that, I am just, I don't know. I am just not the type of person that would just buy, and then if I don't like it anymore, within 30 days, I return it. Like that. No, that's not how it works, darling. So these are not cheap items. And yeah, it was like sometimes, when you speak to the customer service or your sales associate, sometimes when you buy something, of course they're nice, they're very helpful, they will do the best they can to get that item. But when there's an issues and I said, well, I don't want to deal with that, and sometimes they give you an attitude, and that's just something. Sometimes it is really hard, to be honest, to work with an essay, guys. And I try my best really to be honest with them, to get in touch with them, and open up with the issues. But then again, when they started showing a little bit of an attitude, I said, well, I don't know, because I don't like to argue for something that I don't need to to argue just because, oh wow, I have issues with my purse. I just not that the type of person. But I was just really hoping with the money that I spent for this, I was just hoping for a better craftsmanship, for a better quality. And yeah, I mean, yeah, I was like so disappointed, and I am scared to place a new order now and have them source this out for me, because I had a feeling that this is going to be the biggest issue on the upfront, guys, with this Toiletry 26. So anyway, so much for the rant about the issues that I have with this Louis Vuitton items. So I just really wanted to share it with you guys, with my experience with these new items. And yeah, I was really, honestly, I was totally disappointed. And these are like really beautiful pieces, and I just hope that, they could really do something about it, knowing that they have increased the price. Maybe this is the third or the fourth time this year. So at least they could have really done something with that, So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.